light's really bright. Happy December 3rd. We got a lot of decorating done last night, but we still got more to do. I don't know if you're like me, who just goes all out and decorating. Well, this is kind of the first year that I've really gone all out decorating in my room. Usually just decorate the tree, and the living room, the kitchen, the house. And I put a few things in my room, but this year I really went all out. Why don't we open our coffee advent calendar, because that will wake me up. And our jewelry one, so. Alright, it is day 3. It's the bunny. Look how cute that bunny is. Oh my gosh, I love this hat. I love the artwork on this one. I really want to rip the bunny. Oh, looks like a necklace. It's all everywhere. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, what? This one's not in the bag. Isn't that weird? Okay, that was so weird. Why is there 3 necklaces in that one door? Because it's December 3rd? With the 2 little circles with like the diamonds in them. I gotta say, this is kind of unique. I don't have a necklace like this. This is cool. It looks like it has a mom and a baby and then a heart. And it says mom to be. Here's the other one. Ooh, this one's kind of unique. I don't have anything like it. It's cool. This was kind of weird. They were just tangled in there. And they weren't in a bag. Maybe because there was 3 of them? We got the 12 cups of Christmas. Okay. Boop. Butter big hand. Ooh, it smells really good. The other one smelled, I don't know if I really like the smell, but it tasted good. This one smells really good. Well, I mean, all coffee kind of smells good. It's just like what you prefer over other coffee, I guess. Got some Christmas mugs from Dollar Tree. Does anybody else wash their cups thoroughly after they buy them? Why don't we use this one for a butter pecan? First day of Christmas, my true love gave to me coffee with pecan and butter. I've just been using this cup measure thingy that I got with the other coffee. I just use one of these for 1 cup. Even though you could, like, I don't know. Look how wrinkly it is. Oh, my coffee filter's so wrinkly. It wrinkled when I pulled it out. There we go. We get water in the bath. Be better. Pot days. I don't know. Oh well. Put it in the bath. I always like that. It's like looks cool when you put the green in. Let's try it. This is pretty good. It's a little different from the Great Valley butter pecan. I like it. I feel like I don't have the bench properly as a dishwasher and review these coffees. The struggle is real. Okay, first things first, up above my bed, this is what I decided. I put those green Christmas tree lights that we got from Dollar Tree. I put those. I got Jesus, Mrs. Claus, dolls, some little toysies, like Toyland, I don't know. I think it looks good. I got some greenery. Whew. Up above that, I just put some snow, some snowman. This is actually my sister's bear. Some greenery, and then I put the candy cane lights that we got at Dollar Tree. I don't have my ring light on right now because I have a little light darker in here so you can see the lights. Then up above my window, I put the poinsettias. And I put some tinsel. The tinsel goes all the way over there.
Then I put the paper craft thingies that we made. Right here on the side of my bed, I put another one of those, and I put some of these. I think they're hot pants, but we don't use them for hot pants. So we don't use them for that because they're vintage, you know, they're cool. I kind of want lights here and here. I don't know what I'm going to put there right now. I don't have anything. Maybe we can shop for things at Dollar Tree. I don't know. I don't know. Turning from the window, I have this in my cups. Now, this is my favorite part. I put some of my pink Dollar Tree lights that I have, but this is kind of like the Nutcracker Ballet with the Christmas tree and the ballet dancers with the nutcrackers. And this side we got like the Candyland house because of the Nutcracker, you know, sugar plum fairies. And then up here I have something very exciting. Let me turn this on. Remember that's the cloud that we got at Dollar Tree. Let me turn it on. It looks like the swan is on ice and the lights is glistening off it. It's so cool. I just uploaded my December 1st vlog, and I noticed that when I did the Hobby Lobby haul, I didn't show you all the ornaments I got. It must have got edited out. I don't know. But I got this cute pig right here. You know I got her. I got this cute cat. I got this ice cream cone. And I got this fish back here. And then I got this Christmas tree. Now this isn't an ornament, it's just a light, but I think it's really awesome. The first day vlog, those are going to be in my haul, but I handed them out. Anyways, here I put the Dollar Tree mugs that we got. I just put some pine cones in them. I take the pine cone out and drink my coffee out of that. Up here in my little Dollar Tree thing, I don't know if you can see it in there. It's like greenery, pine cone. Up above the lights in here, I put a snowflake. I absolutely love this scene. I'll show it to you with the light off in a minute. What? There's snow all over my nail polish. I'm just kidding. I like to put snow on my nail polish shelf and tower. I think it's kind of fun. Until I want to take it off because I can actually see the colors, and then I get annoyed and I take it off. But, you know, I like it there right now. Then coming over here, up above my nail polish desk, we have the colorful lights. I have the wooden soldier right here. He's been here so long that there's snow on his shoulders. And then I have a gingerbread boy, a pine cone, some greenery that I got outside. By the way, I got that greenery outside. I don't know if I mentioned that. I got a little house. And him right here is one of the cutest Christmas things that we have. It's vintage, and it's a snowman, and he's made out of bells. See, he jiggled. Mitts are bells. His hat, not his hat, sorry. His face and his body is, and it is adorable. I love that. That is one of my favorite things of all time in Christmas. And then up above is my cat lamp thingy. Look, the cat's playing with the bulb over here. And also it got a wreath stuck to its tail. Then up above the cat, let me back up, is the icicle lights that we got from Dollar Tree. And let me show you up there. And then coming up here to my retail shelf, I just put some snow, a snowman, some pine cones, some greenery. I put KJ right there. And then I put a little wreath inside the door. Retail is all ready for Christmas. Then if you turn, when we turn over here, I put a nice wintry Barbie. I put an angel. I put some pine cones, some greenery. I put a picture of the nativity. I got this some stuffed animals over there, some white horses, and then I put these stars right here. It looks so amazing with the light off. Look. That's what it looks like with the light off. I love the Christmas trees over there, the green. And look, there's a whole ballet going on over there called the Nutcracker with the Sugar Plum Fairy and Gumdrop Dreams. Oh, I just love it. That is my favorite part. It looks so great over there. Then over here, up above my nail polish desk, that's what it looks like. And this is up above the cat. I don't have the cat plugged in because I need a little, USB to plug in wall little thing. I have to find it. But yeah, that's what that looks like. Turn over here. That's what that looks like. I could also put those up there if I want to see the greenery up there. I might do that. I'm not sure. Go over here. Oh, love that. There's actually a candle that goes right by Jesus, but I have to find the charger to charge it because it's chargeable. The Nutcracker Ballet is going on. Oh my god. Oh, I just love it. It's out of a dream. Just like the Nutcracker. It's based on a dream. This is out of a dream. I love how those house light up. And look, the swan is dancing on ice with different lights. I love the swan. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, I just have to keep showing you this because I just love it. Oh, and that angel changes colors. He got it from Dollar Tree. It's actually my brother's. He got it from Dollar Tree, but he was like, oh, this looks so good here. You should put it here. So he put it there. And the other Nutcracker actually isn't mine either. It is my brother's. But, let me use it. But anyways, it's like a dream. I just realized I was filming in the wrong mode this whole time. Anyways, I'm so glad my room is decorated. Now, we can add some decorations, because we'll probably go to Dollar Tree. And before I end this day, I gotta do my nails. But why don't we open the other chocolate-y advent calendar? I didn't do that one earlier because, I feel like it'd be fun to do one at night. I think I know what's wrong. Why some of the chocolates must have fell. Like we opened that one and there was no chocolate in it. I think that have fallen because I've noticed that in the middle right here, it's kind of broken. Probably problems with shipping. So this is kind of, I don't know, it's kind of broken right here. Obviously I have an open door 20, but it's kind of broken right here. So I wonder if that's playing a little factor of why that one was empty. And some of them might have fell down. I don't know. Like I said, beautiful artwork. But let's find door number 3. Oop, yep, see? There's not a chocolate in this one either. I wonder if they fell down to the bottom because it was broken here. Like it was hitting packaging and it bent it and they fell down. I wonder if that happened. Oh well, we'll find the piece of chocolate. It's probably, let me see. Yeah, it must have happened because of the center problem. That's alright though. I mean, I only paid $6 for this advent calendar. I'm not gonna hold it to like, oh, it's not perfect. Probably because it was hit. But anyways, here's a piece of chocolate. Ooh, I think it's a reindeer. Is it a reindeer? Try it. Piece of milk chocolate. Tastes good. This could be the Bible, it says. In coming to her, he said, "Hail, favorite one, the Lord is with you." Luke 1, verse 28. Oh yeah, it's one of my favorite to read. I always think about that when I'm saying my rosary. When I'm saying the joyful mysteries, the Annunciation. My brother gave me this Christmas tree that lights up. I'm going to put it right here. And I just got done with my nail. I've been kind of slacking on my nail care, so I went ahead and took off my nail polish. And then I rubbed some garlic on there, you know. Break a garlic clove, rub it on. Rubbing garlic on your nail bed is great for it because it can kill the icky bacteria that you can't even see with your eyes off your nails and make them shiny and healthy. Oh, I just love using garlic for my nails. I'm ready to go to bed now. We gotta end this Vlogmas Day 3. Yeah, Day 3. And go on to Vlogmas Day 4. It is Saturday night. Of course, it's past 12, so it's basically Sunday. And this is the second Sunday in Advent, so we gotta go light the second Advent candle. I turned on, I didn't light, but I wish I could have lighted them, but it's just hard to have flaming candles. But I lit the other Advent candle, the first Advent candle, on the 27th, so that was the first Sunday of Advent. Now, it's already the second, so why don't we go light it? Lego. This little guy. Anyways, I put the Advent candles right here by the sink, high traffic area, so we'll always be looking at them and reminding ourselves that it's Advent and Jesus is coming. So why don't we go ahead and light the next one? Oh, it's hard for me to push the button. Oh my goodness, it's bright. Oh, they're both lit. You can see how much brighter this one is for this one because this one's been on all week. It's okay. I have new batteries to change them out. So yeah, I got batteries for them. I'll probably have to change this one's batteries soon to keep them lit, you know, all this month. But yeah, okay. Second week in Advent, candles lit. Let's go. Really wanted my bedroom, not in now. It doesn't look like this in any way. I couldn't do it, but I love Cindy Lou Who's bedroom in the live action Grinch movie so much. That's what I want my bedroom to look like for Christmas time. But of course, you know, that's just kind of imaginary, but I kind of recreated it with like the Nutcracker scene and, you know, all the lights and everything. She had an awesome Christmas tree in her bedroom. The ballerina's turning and dancing with that music, and then she looks out the window and she's singing her song, and it's just great. I love that scene. That's my favorite scene in the Grinch movie. But anyways, I gotta go to bed because we gotta get started on Vlogmas Day 4. We still got decorating to do. The kitchen and stuff like that, but I'm so glad my room's done so I can sleep until I leave. I'm gonna be so excited. But anyways, I gotta go to bed. I'll see you tomorrow, Senders. Good night.